self-defense and your worthless perspective. Oh, stop nailing me just because of my...
Olólùfẹ́ mi. Orúkọ mi ni Kẹ́mi Fákúnlé. Mo jẹ́ akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ ní ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga. Ní oṣù tó kọjá mo pàdé arákùnrin kan tó síngbọnlẹ̀ ní orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. Ó sì dẹnu ìfẹ́ kọ mí.
My beloved. My name is Ifesuwapo Alejolowo Owonifari. I'm a lecturer in a university. About a month ago, I met a beautiful, cute woman on the internet, and I proposed a romantic relationship with her as a sharp man.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́. Say, I'm going to start with their opening words.
Olólùfẹ́ mi.
My beloved.
Right. Olólùfẹ́. Beloved. Olólùfẹ́ mi. My beloved. And then they started with orúkọ mi. Say, orúkọ, name. Orúkọ mi, my name. Let's look at the meaning of their first names. Kẹ́mi. See, Ke means to care for someone, to take care of someone, to pamper someone, and me is me. So Kẹ́mi, that means to care for me, right? So me is a suffix. I mean, to many names in Yoruba, you have words like Fẹ́mi, which means to love me and even marry me, and you have Fúnmi, give me, right? So, and we have prefixes to them like Olúwafúnmi, the Lord has given me, or Kẹ́mi, the Lord has cared for me by giving me this child. And Kẹ́mi is akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. You see, the word ẹ̀kọ́ is study or training, and akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ is ẹni tó ń kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́, a student. So Kẹ́mi is akẹ́kọ̀ọ́. So Ifesuwapo is a teacher. Teacher in Yoruba is olùkọ́, olú ẹ̀kọ́, the one in charge of training.
Orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára la ti pàdé.
We met on the internet.
Mo ń jáde, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi ń dúró dè mí. A jọ ń lọ sí ibi àṣeyẹ kan. Ṣùgbọ́n kí n tó lọ, ẹ jẹ́ kí n pe olólùfẹ́ mi Ifesuwapo.
I'm going out. My students are waiting for me. Oh, she's the one calling.
Ẹ̀rọ ayélujára, internet, and they said pàdé. So pàdé, meet. So say pàdé lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. So they met on the internet. So lórí, the word lórí means on. So you can have lórí igi on the tree. You can have lórí ilẹ̀ on the ground. And you can have lórí àpáta on the rock. And she said, mo fẹ́ jáde. That means I want to go out. And my friends, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi, because friend is ọ̀rẹ́, and àwọn ọ̀rẹ́, friends. So àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ mi, my friends. And my students, àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi, since we know àwọn is a plural marker, akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, students. So my students, àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi ń dúró dè mí. You see, the word dúró means to stand, dúró means to wait. Dè mí, waiting for me. So àwọn akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mi ń dúró dè mí. My students are waiting for me. And mo fẹ́ lọ is I want to go. Mo fẹ́ lọ, so you can say mo fẹ́ lọ sí ilé ẹ̀kọ́, which means I want to go to school. Right? So ilé ẹ̀kọ́ in this space is school. So you see, mo fẹ́ lọ sí ibi àṣeyẹ. Àṣeyẹ is an occasion, right? I want to go to an occasion. Mo fẹ́ lọ sí ibi àṣeyẹ. You can also say mo fẹ́ lọ sí ilé ìwòsàn. Right, so ilé ìwòsàn is hospital. So mo fẹ́ lọ sí ilé ìwòsàn. Right, so how do you say I want to go to the market?
Hello, ìfẹsọ̀wápọ̀ olólùfẹ́ mi.
Olólùfẹ́ mi Kẹ́mi. Má bínú sí mi jọ̀ọ́. Má pè é padà.
Kí ló dé? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Hello?
Kílódé. Kílódé is the word that means what is it? Kílódé. Right. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. What happened? Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀. And kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀, on the other hand, is what is happening. Right. So what is happening? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀. Happen. Ṣẹlẹ̀.
I hope I got that right.
Ṣó fẹ́ bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ ni? Ẹjọ́.
You don't understand. I don't speak Yoruba well. And she wants a French Yoruba speaker. But we love each other.
And she doesn't know about this.
She doesn't. I've been using the e-translator on your website. I've been using it for a while now.
Ṣùgbọ́n kò yẹ kí èdè dí ìfẹ́ lọ́wọ́. Èdè, language. So èdè Yorùbá, Yoruba language. Èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì, English language. Èdè Faransé, the French language. See, ìfẹ́ is love. Kò yẹ kí èdè dí ìfẹ́ lọ́wọ́. So ìfẹsọ̀wápọ̀, how do you say language shouldn't be a barrier and in love?
What?
I mean, how would you apologize to her for giving her a wrong impression?
Má bínú sí mi. Olólùfẹ́ mi. Má bínú sí mi.
You are learning fast. You are learning fast. Do you know the meaning of your name?
Ìfẹsọ̀wápọ̀. Love binds us together. My dad says it is from the Yoruba word that literally translates as love binds us together. Àlejò lówó. Àlejò is visitor. Owó is money. So àlejò lówó means money is a visitor. Owó, money. Ní fàárí. Money is fashion.
Arákùnrin, ẹ fún mi lówó mi. Give me my money.
Arákùnrin, ẹ má bínú. Ẹ gbowó yín.
Ẹ ṣé. Thank you.
Arákùnrin, a male brethren. Arábìnrin, a brethren, that's female. Fún mi is give me. And gbà is take. And when you're saying ẹgbà, that means you're telling someone older or a group of people. Why gbà is to a younger person or your mate. It's the same word with when you say ó ṣé, which is thank you to someone younger or your friend, or ẹ ṣé to someone older or a group of people. And someone older than you, you can say ẹ má bínú sí mi. That means don't be angry with me, or don't be crossed with me, or don't be mad at me, or má bínú sí mi, to a younger person or your mate.
Food your worry.
Oshe.
Ba. Yeah. Le. Ewo leleyi.
Ìrèké oníbùdó tí bàbá di ò fagun wà kọ́ ni.
Ó ti ẹ̀dá mo máa ní ìbéèrè kan tí mo fẹ́ bi ẹ́.
Ó dà mò ń gbọ́.
Kí ni ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ àti mo fẹ́ràn?
Kí ni means what? Ìyàtọ̀ is difference. So kí ni ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin mo fẹ́ràn ẹ àti mo nífẹ̀ẹ́?
Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, I love you. Mo fẹ́ràn ẹ, I like you.
Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́, I love you. Mo fẹ́ràn ẹ, I like you.
Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́ and mo fẹ́ràn ẹ. And means àti. So if you want to say and so on, you say àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
Àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ.
And so on.
Èmi àti ìwọ. That's me and you. Àti means and.
How do you say you and me?
Ìwọ àti èmi.
What do you mean when you say àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ?
And so on. Ó ṣe sọ́ọ̀sì náà ni. Ta ni ẹ o?
Who is that?
Olófòfó ni o.
It is the gossip.
Olófòfó, the gossip. Òfófó, gossip. Olófòfó usually refers to a person, while òfófó is an act or activity. When you say olófòfó ni, you mean he or she is a gossip. And when you hear ó ń ṣe òfófó, it means he or she gossips. Good afternoon.
Hello.
Kẹ́mi.
Ìwọ látúrí gbọ́ o.
Báwo ló ṣe máa múra lọ sí ìpàdé ojúkorojú pẹ̀lú ẹ̀sùn àpọ̀?
Orí mú ètè sọnù. Olófòfó. Báwo gangan ni ìwọ ṣe mọ̀ nípa ìpàdé ojúkorojú yìí o?
How did you get to know about this face-to-face meeting?
Kò yé mi.
Ṣẹ̀rí, irú ìfẹ́ orí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára yìí. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ di ìfẹ́ ojúkorojú.
Ó yá, Olófòfó, wá máa lọ, àkókò ẹ̀ ti tó. Ó yá ìta, kò bọ́ síta.
Ìgbà wo wá ní ìgbéyàwó yín báyìí?
Ìgbéyàwó kẹ̀. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni jáde síta fún mi jàre. Àbẹ́ wá gbà mí.
Kẹ́mi,
kí ni?
O ní láti gbé yẹ̀wò. You have to consider it.
Kí n gbé yẹ̀wò?
Yes, bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ó dà.
This kind of online love affair should become a face-to-face thing. What do you think?
How will you dress to your first face-to-face meeting with Kemi? Báwo ló ṣe máa múra lọ sí ìpàdé àkọ́kọ́ ojúkorojú pẹ̀lú Kemi?
But dresses, aṣọ, and dressing is
Imura. How come?
Múra is also to dress up. Mo fẹ́ múra fún ètò ìgbéyàwó kan. I want to dress up for a wedding ceremony.
A wedding? Isn't ìgbéyàwó wedding? And ètò ìgbéyàwó wedding occasion, right?
Yes. What about ayẹyẹ ìgbéyàwó?
Ayẹyẹ is occasion, right?
But you just said ètò ìgbéyàwó now. Ètò is program or method. Methodist, elétò. So program is also ètò. So ayẹyẹ is occasion. So you are right. Ayẹyẹ ìgbéyàwó, wedding occasion. Ètò ìgbéyàwó, wedding program.
Okay. Ètò is method. I got that right.
So, what do I mean when I say Wamalo?
I should consider it.
Gbéyẹ̀wò. Think about it. Consider it. Gbéyẹ̀wò. Báwo lo ṣe máa múra lọ sí ìpàdé ojúkòójú àkọ́kọ́ pẹ̀lú Kẹ́mi? Gbéyẹ̀wò.
I think I'll get a black shoe, black belt, white shirt, green trousers, and a black cap. I will use good cufflinks to go with my long sleeved shirt. Black shoe, bata dudu. Black is dudu. I know that because Yoruba call Africa Ilẹ̀ Adúláwọ̀. Ilẹ̀ is land, by the way. Ilẹ̀ Adúláwọ̀, land of the blacks. Bata dudu. Bata is shoe.
Yẹ̀rì aláwọ̀ ewé, green skirt. Ìgbànú dúdú, black belt. Bàtà dúdú, black shoe. Yẹtí wúrà, gold earrings. Gold is wúrà.
Yes.
Gbogbo ohun tó ń dán kọ́ ni wúrà o.
All that glitters is not gold. I think I will get a gold earring for Kemi as a gift.
Àbí kí n wọ yẹ̀rì funfun ni?
Funfun, white. So aṣọ funfun, white clothing. Ṣòkòtò funfun, white trousers. Bàtà funfun, white shoes. Ẹyẹ funfun, white bird.
Kemi has called me. Hey, Olalekan. How do I say I was eating when you called me?
Mo ń jẹun nígbà tí o pè mí.
When I was eating, mo ń jẹun. I was eating.
Mo ń jẹun.
Okay, mo ń jẹun nígbà tí o pè mí. Okay. Thank you. Olólùfẹ́ mi.
Fẹsọ̀wápọ̀ olólùfẹ́ mi. Báwo ni?
Má bínú sí mi. Mo ń jẹun nígbà tí o pè mí.
Oh, ò ń jẹun lọ́wọ́. Kí ló ń jẹ?
I think I had jẹ. Oúnjẹ is food. Then kíni is what? I got some pounded yam from the shop across the road.
Iyán funfun lẹ́lẹ́.
Yes, pounded yam. Olólùfẹ́ mi, please let's chat. Okay, bye.
Hello, Ìfẹsọ̀wápọ̀. Hello? Kí ló ṣe ọkùnrin tí kò kí fẹ́ máa bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ lórí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ àbí ẹ̀rọ alágbèéká?
For how long will I keep this up? For how long?
Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀, a telephone, ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀. So, ẹ̀rọ alágbèéká is mobile phone or cell phone. Ẹ̀rọ in Yoruba refers to a machine or technology, right? Moving object. Ẹ̀rọ, like a transmitter in Yoruba is called ẹ̀rọ alátagbà. Ẹ̀rọ amóhùndùngbẹ̀mù, and that's a loudspeaker. Pè mí lórí ẹ̀rọ alágbèéká mi, call me on my cell phone.
Ìbáṣepọ̀ ìfẹ́.
Love relationship.
Ìbáṣepọ̀ relationship. Kí wá ni ìfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀?
Ìfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ cooperation.
Ìbáṣepọ̀ ìfẹ́ dùn tí àwọn olólùfẹ́ bá lè máa fi ọwọ́ sowọ́pọ̀ ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ cooperate. A direct translation of fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ is joinment. Gbogbo ìgbà, all the time or every time.
Fúnkẹ́. Gbogbo ìgbà tí mo bá pe ìfẹ́ sowọ́pọ̀ lórí ẹ̀rọ, kì í fẹ́ràn láti máa sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ó fẹ́ràn láti máa fi àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ ránṣẹ́.
Every time.
Ní gbogbo ìgbà.
Ìfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ yẹn òun ni kókó nínú ìbáṣepọ̀ ìfẹ́. Ìfẹ́ kò mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀.
What did you say?
Ìfọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀, cooperation, is the main thing. It's the most important. In fact, it's the point of a love relationship.
So Coco is point, right?
Yeah. Make I tell them the Coco. Make I
Come
tell them
on,
the
Shola.
Coco.
I am serious about this.
Okay. So, someone can say a lot of things and then say, Coco tí mo fẹ́ fàyọ ni pé. Try and say that, let me hear it.
Coco tí mo fẹ́ fàyọ ni pé.
So, Coco, the point. So, if someone says, Coco tí mo fẹ́ fàyọ ni pé, he or she is trying to say, the point I'm trying to bring out is this.
Kókó tí mo fẹ́ fàyọ ni pé mo nífẹ̀ẹ́.
Oh, nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi bí báwo, kí ló ń sọ ò lè nífẹ̀ẹ́ mi, kí ló ń sọ?
I'm not talking about you. I'm referring to Kẹ́mi Fákúnlé.
Má sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ délẹ̀.
Who will love you?
O gbà ṣàgbà síbẹ̀. Síbẹ̀. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó máa ń fi ìmọ̀ kún ìmọ̀ ni ẹ o. Mo sọ pé akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ tó máa ń fi ìmọ̀ kún ìmọ̀ ni ẹ.
I don't understand. I just know you said akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, but I am olùkọ́. My olólùfẹ́ is the akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Ìfẹsẹ̀wápọ̀. In this context, you are the akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ because you are the one learning. Akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ Yorùbá student. You are an olùkọ́ to your students. So yeah. Now, if you're someone who learns every day or optimizes every learning opportunity, then we will say òun fi ìmọ̀ kún ìmọ̀. Ìmọ̀ is knowledge, by the way. So, fi ìmọ̀ kún ìmọ̀ literally means add knowledge to knowledge.
Wait a minute. You are going to make my head explode with all that slick talk. So slow down. Ìmọ̀ is knowledge, right? And how do you say have knowledge?
Ní ìmọ̀. Have is ní.
So what is add?
Add is fikún. Add fikún. Addition àfikún.
Okay, so an olùkọ́ can also be referred to as akẹ́kọ̀ọ́, depending on context. So, an olùkọ́ èdè Yorùbá can be an akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ òṣèlú.
Bingo.
Òṣèlú, politics. Òṣèlú, politics. You see, the word ṣe means to do or to form or to develop. And ìlú is town, city, country. Right. So when you say òṣèlú, the act of developing or doing or forming the town or the city or the country, so you call it politics. Òṣèlú. Then olóṣèlú, that person that develops the town. Ẹni tí ó ń ṣe ìlú, so you call them politicians. So politicians then is àwọn olóṣèlú. That means a group of people that develops from the town or develop the town, right? And a political party is ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú. Ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú. That means ẹgbẹ́ is a group. Ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú, political party. So if you say dìbò fún ẹgbẹ́ òṣèlú wa, which means vote for our party. And dìbò means to vote, to cast your ballot. Dìbò. Ṣé o ti dìbò? Have you voted? Or ṣé ẹ ti dìbò? Have you voted for a group of people or someone older? I have voted. Mo ti dìbò.
Dúró ná.
Kí nìyẹn?
Ṣé kì í ṣe oníjìbìtì ní ìfẹsọ̀wápọ̀ báyìí?
Oníjìbìtì.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Kí ló tó fi sọ bẹ́ẹ̀?
Kí ni iṣẹ́ ẹ̀?
Olùkọ́ ni.
Olùkọ́ ti ilé ẹ̀kọ́ bo.
Ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga ti ìlú wa yìí náà ni.
Ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga ti ìlú wa yìí. Higher institution.
Dúró náà. Dúró náà. Wait. You said you are an olùkọ́. And she said she's an akẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
You think it is much of a coincidence?
And then it is just àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́ all the time.
Text messages, yes. But we've spoken like 3 times.
Ìfẹsọ̀wápọ̀. Mama jẹ́ kán lù ẹ́ ní jìbìtì o.
What?
Mama kò sọ́wọ́ oníjìbìtì.
Oníjìbìtì, a fraudulent person, because jìbìtì is a fraud. So, ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga, higher institution. So, talking about a post-secondary school institution is ilé ẹ̀kọ́ gíga. So, you said you were a lecturer at the university. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, yes. Bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́, not so. Let me call Ìfẹsọ̀wápọ̀.
What is the difference between àti and àbí?
These are different Yoruba words. Àti is and. Èmi àti ìwọ. Me and you. Ìwọ àti èmi, you and me. On the other hand, àbí is or. Èmi àbí ìwọ. That's me or you. Ìwọ àbí èmi, that's you or me. Ìfẹsọ̀wápọ̀, you said you were a lecturer in an higher institution. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
It's getting somewhere. You love Kemi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
There is a rubber idabubu somewhere there in your wallet as you were going on that date? Benny Abibeko.
What is rubber idabubu?
Wait. She wants you to come with a condom.
Condom?
Rubber idabubu now.
Condom is rubber idabubu?
Yes. Oh, wait. Duro, talento cleansing. Who was that?
Olalekan, the teacher at the language studio.
There's a rubber idabubu in your wallet or somewhere. Benny Abibeko.
Beko?
Kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ o?
So you just think you and Ifesowapo will be under the moon and stars, holding hands and saying sweet words to each other.
Fúnkẹ́. Ó dá mi lójú. Ifesowapo kì í ṣe oníjìbìtì.
Ṣó dá ẹ lójú? Are you sure?
Àló dá mi lójú. Mo ti wò lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára.
Wapo, are you sure? So dá ẹ lójú.
I'm sure Kemi is not a fraud. I've checked out on the internet.
Do you know how to say that in Yoruba?
Beko.
Shouldn't you rather say rara instead of beko?
But you said no, it's Beko.
No, má parọ́ mọ́ mi o. I said beko is not so. In some context, it is rara. Beko, not so. But rara is more like no. Okay. Do you smoke?
You know me now.
I don't know you.
Rara.
Okay. You and Kemi, have you had sex?
Come on, Shola. No. Rara. What kind of person are you? Okay, so before you forget, tell me how to say I am sure Kemi is not a fraud. I have checked her on the internet.
Èmi ló fẹ́ máa fún ṣẹ́ṣe ń sìn. Anyway, ó dá mi lójú pé Kemi ò kí ń ṣe oníjìbìtì. Mo ti yẹ̀ ẹ́ wò lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára.
Mo wò lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára. I checked him online or I checked her online. Mo wò lórí Facebook. I checked him on Facebook or I checked her on Facebook. Mo wò lórí Twitter. I checked him on Twitter or I checked her on Twitter. So what if you want to say check our website? So you're saying ẹ wò wá lórí ìtàkùn ayélujára wa. So ìtàkùn ayélujára, our website, is coined from the word ìtàkùn. Ìtàkùn is web, like spider's web, ìtàkùn. Then we coined that word from the relationship between spider's web and the web. So ìtàkùn ayélujára, web. So if you say ẹ wò wá lórí ìtàkùn ayélujára wa, www.eayoruba.com, you are saying check us on our website, eayoruba.com.
Báwo ni Joe? I need the ìtàkùn ayélujára of EA Yoruba. I love Olalekan, the olùkọ́ on the platform.
Oh, Olalekan, the teacher?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
What did you say? You said you need is
ìtàkùn ayélujára.
What is that?
Website.
Oh, website. How do you say that in Yoruba?
Ìtàkùn ayélujára.
Okay, let me try to answer that in Yoruba.
Oh, yeah.
Ìtàkùn ayélujára www.eayoruba.com.
O ṣeun. Mo ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.
Kẹ́mi, báwo ni?
Àlàáfíà ni mo wà. Mo máa yà ní ilé ìfowópamọ́ kí n tó dé ọ̀dọ̀ ẹ̀.
Oh, you are going to the bank?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
I hope that will be a quick one.
Ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀. Ó dàbí wípé o fẹ́ràn láti máa lo èdè wa lórí àtẹ̀jíṣẹ́. Ṣùgbọ́n o fẹ́ràn láti máa fi èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ lórí aago. Hello? Ṣé o gbọ́ nǹkan tí mo sọ ní hello ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀?
Oh, Kẹ́mi, let me call you back.
Mo kórìíra irọ́.
Kórìíra, hate, and nífẹ̀ẹ́ is love. So kórìíra, mo kórìíra ìdọ̀tí, I hate dirt. Mo kórìíra irọ́, I hate lies. Or you say, mo kórìíra ẹ̀tàn, I hate falsehood. So if you're saying true or false, we say òótọ́ àbí irọ́. Òótọ́ is true or truth. Irọ́ is lie. So when you say òótọ́ ni àbí irọ́, you're saying true or false. You have eaten. Òótọ́ àbí irọ́. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. How do you say I hate spiders? Mo kórìíra aláǹtakùn.
Ẹ kú ìyálẹ̀ta arákùnrin.
Good day.
We are from the Yoruba News. Ilé ìròyìn Yoruba.
Oh, ìròyìn.
Yes, news. We are trying to get people to tell the audience the meaning of their names.
That is interesting. My name is Ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀ Àlejòlówó Owónífàárí. Orúkọ mi ni Ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀ Àlejòlówó Owónífàárí. Ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀, love binds us together. I'm not that good with Yoruba, but I've known the meaning of my name from childhood. Ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀, love binds us together. And Àlejòlówó is a compression of two words. Àlejò, okay? Àlejòlówó, àlejò, visitor. Money is visitor. Àlejòlówó. And Owónífàárí, owó is style or fashion. Owó is money. Owó is money. Owónífàárí, money is style, money is fashion.
Ẹ ṣé gan ni arákùnrin Ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀ Àlejòlówó Owónífàárí. Ẹ ṣé gan ni.
You're welcome.
Ìfẹsowọ́pọ̀. Ṣé kò sí o?
Inú mi dùn láti rí ẹ. Ìdùnnú ló jẹ́ fún mi láti rí ẹ.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí fún mi pẹ̀lú. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣé mi ò dá dúró púpọ̀ jù?
You want me to give you something?
Rárá o. Mi ò ní kó fún mi ní nǹkan kan. Mo ní ṣé mi ò dá dúró púpọ̀ jù. Mo ní ṣé mi ò dá dúró púpọ̀ jù.
Should we can we switch to English completely?
Ìfẹ́sọ̀wápọ̀. Kí gangan nìkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀?
No, nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong.
Kí ló wá dé tó fẹ́ fi Yorùbá bá mi sọ̀rọ̀?
Of course, I'm a Yoruba man. I was born in Dublin, and I spent my preteen years there. Then I came back home and spent the rest of my life until last month in Port Harcourt.
Kí ni gbogbo àròyé yìí o?
I have a confession to make.
Ah! Hey! Fúnkẹ́ dẹ̀ sọ o. Fúnkẹ́ dẹ̀ sọ pé ní jìbìtì ni arákùnrin máa jẹ́ o.
No, Kemi, I'm not a fraud. I love you. Mo nífẹ̀ẹ́. Mo fẹ́ràn ẹ. I'm sorry. All the while I've been chatting with you, I've been using the e-translator and with the help of some guys at EA Yoruba. I'm sorry, Kemi. That is the only thing I've not been completely honest about me.
Tó dẹ̀ kó sí agbádá tó kó sí fìlà tó ṣe bí ọmọ Yorùbá gidi. Tí mo rò bí àwọn mo ti rán ọmọ Yorùbá o. Láyé mi. Irọ́ o.
Kemi, má bínú. Mo bẹ̀ ẹ́.
Ti kúrò níbẹ̀ o.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? What happened? Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀? What is happening?
Báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀? How did it happen?
Wo ọ̀rẹ́ mi, oríṣiríṣi ọkùnrin ló máa wà.
Kẹ́mi, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Tí kí ni fi ṣe kí ni o?
I thought I must have heard you say oríṣiríṣi ọkùnrin ló wà. Ṣé you don't chop breakfast ni?
Olófòfò, ṣé àdúgbò yìí ló ń gbé ni?
Rárá o, mo gbọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Kẹ́mi àti Ìfẹ́sọ̀wápọ̀. Mo wá ní kí n wá gbọ́ kókó látẹnu yín.
Gẹ́rẹ́ra ayé ajẹrẹ. Get out of here.
You don't cast. Last. Now everybody go chop breakfast.
Àdúgbò, street. Aládùúgbò, a neighbor. Agbègbè is surroundings or neighborhood. So how do you say, what are you doing in my neighborhood? Ọ̀rẹ́ mi is my friend because ọ̀rẹ́ is friend. So, ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni Kemi. So you're saying Kemi is my friend. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi ni Ìfẹ́sọ̀wápọ̀. Ìfẹ́sọ̀wápọ̀ is my friend. Oríṣiríṣi is variety in Yoruba. Oríṣiríṣi or many kind of things. So if I say oríṣiríṣi oúnjẹ, that's varieties of food. Oríṣiríṣi ọkùnrin, all kinds of men. So, how do I say, how did it happen? How? Báwo? Báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀?
Yes. Something happened.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? What happened?
Kemi is no longer taking my calls.
Kemi ò gbé ìpè ẹ. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? What did you do?
She knows I couldn't communicate with her one-on-one.
Oh, but Gbeyewo, language should not be in the way of love. Look, Ifesowapo, what you need now is sùúrù.
Sùúrù? What is that?
Sùúrù, patience. Ní sùúrù, be patient. Oh, ìyàwó mi ló ń pè mí. Ìyàwó mi, my wife.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, sùúrù lọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbà o. This matter requires patience.
Mo ti gbọ́.
Kò yẹ kí èdè dín ìbáṣepọ̀ ìfẹ́ lọ́wọ́.
Fúnkẹ́, ṣebí ìwọ náà mọ̀. Ṣebí mo ti sọ gbogbo àwọn ohun àmúyẹ tí mo fẹ́ rí nínú ọkùnrin tí mo bá fẹ́ fẹ́.
Olólùfẹ́ mi, òdòdó ìfẹ́ mi, àdùmáradán, ẹlẹ́yinjú ẹgẹ́, tó bá jẹ́ wípé a lè mọ jíjìn ìfẹ́ mi jìn bí ìsàlẹ̀ òkun. Tó bá jẹ́ wípé ìfẹ́ a máa pani bí ọtí ni, ìfẹ́ rẹ bí ọtí líle dídùn ni. Bí mo ṣe ń mú fún adùn, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó ń ṣe mí bí ìtúsílẹ̀ èrò ọkàn mi.
Àdùmáradán. Àdùmáradán is a description of someone, male or female, with a dark complexion and glossy skin. Òdòdó is flower, and òdòdó ìfẹ́ is flower of love. And ẹlẹ́yinjú ẹgẹ́, on the other hand, is a description of a man or a woman with a delicate eyeball, because ẹyinjú is eyeball, so fragile. So ẹlẹ́yinjú ẹgẹ́ is someone with a delicate, fragile, eyeball. Okun is sea or ocean. So if you say ọtí is alcohol, ọtí wine, on the other hand, is wine. So these are very important words the poet used, right? And how do you say, please don't be angry with me? Because this is what Ifesowapo should be saying to Kemi.
How do I say, don't be angry with me in Yoruba? Olólùfẹ́ mi, jọ̀wọ́ má ṣe bínú sí mi. I think I will just send text message in English language.
Good afternoon. This is Olalekan from the Language Studio.
Are you now a love guru?
No, I am not. But in a sense, I'm a bit a love guru.
And now, it is this matter between Kemi and Ifesowapo. Why are you offering unsolicited advice, huh?
Please, who am I speaking with?
It is me, Olufofo. Who are you?
Oh, the gossip. Who told you that I offered unsolicited advice? And what if I offer unsolicited advice? You know, these guys are my friends.
Today, I will be
your love guru and give you some words and phrases that you can use to save your relationship. Number 1, jọ̀ọ́. Jọ̀ọ́ is coming from the word jọ̀wọ́, which means please. Right. And number 2, má bínú sí mi, which means don't be mad at me, don't be angry with me. And má bínú sí mi olólùfẹ́, which means don't be angry with me, my beloved. Right. And dáríjì mí. Dáríjì mí means forgive me. Wait, one more thing to learn today is thank you. You should be grateful. So you should learn to say thank you, which is o ṣé.
What is the difference between ẹ ṣé or o ṣé and mo dúpẹ́? Kí ni ìyàtọ̀ tó wà láàrin ẹ ṣé, o ṣé àti mo dúpẹ́?
O ṣé, thank you. Ẹ ṣé. If you are saying thank you to an elderly person, you say ẹ ṣé rather than o ṣé that you use for your peers and younger ones. Mo dúpẹ́ is more of I thank you. In this context, you are personalizing the thank you. Mo dúpẹ́, I thank you. The Americans celebrate Thanksgiving. Ìdúpẹ́.
Thanksgiving. Ìdúpẹ́ also has to do with appreciation.
Appreciation. Mo dúpẹ́, onílù ọ̀rẹ́, bàbá yọpẹ́ wá.
I believe mo dúpẹ́ carries more weight than ẹ ṣé or o ṣé, even though they are basically saying the same thing.
Ẹ ṣé, thank you. Mo dúpẹ́, I thank you. Àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́?
So, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. Púpọ̀ means much. Thanks so much. Or many thanks. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀. Ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.
Okay, many thanks. Okay.
Mo dúpẹ́ is I am grateful. A dúpẹ́, we are grateful. And sometimes it can be I am grateful, depends on the context, right? Just like saying o ṣé, which is I'm thankful, thank you to your friend or someone younger, and ẹ ṣé to someone older or a group of people in the context of showing appreciation for what someone has done to you. So you say thank you, o ṣé, or ẹ ṣé.
This cold soft drink, it's so refreshing. Olúwa mo dúpẹ́ tí o fún mi ní ẹlẹ́rìndòdò tútù yìí.
Jọ̀wọ́ fún mi ní ẹlẹ́rìndòdò tútù kan. Please give me a cold soft drink. O ṣé.
Tútù is cold. Òtútù mú mi. I am cold. If you are talking about cold as a weather element, we use òtútù. Òtútù ẹni pọ̀ o. Today's cold is quite much. Fi aṣọ bora nítorí òtútù. Cover up with a wrapper because of the cold. If you are talking about cold as an object, we use tútù. Omi tútù, cold water. Ẹlẹ́rìndòdò tútù, cold soft drink.
Mo fún ní ẹlẹ́rìndòdò tútù. I gave him or her a cold soft drink.
Share. Ọ̀mùtí kò lè fẹ́ràn ẹlẹ́rìndòdò.
Ọ̀mùtí kò lè fẹ́ràn ẹlẹ́rìndòdò. Is that true? Ọ̀mùtí, a drunkard. Ọtí, alcohol.
Àwọn ọ̀mùtí kan fẹ́ràn ẹlẹ́rìndòdò. Some drunkards like soft drinks.
You see, drunkards can like soft drinks. Ṣọmọ, àwọn ọ̀mùtí wọ́n lè fẹ́ràn ẹlẹ́rìndòdò náà.
A drunkard, ọ̀mùtí. Drunkards, àwọn ọ̀mùtí.
No, give me soft drink. I don't drink alcohol.
Give me. Fún Fún mi ní ẹlẹ́rìndòdò. Give me a soft drink. Mi ò kí ń mu ọtí. I don't drink alcohol.
Fẹ̀sùn wá pọ̀. Ó yẹ kó ṣàlàyé o.
Mo ní mi ò ráyè àlàyé.
Ṣàlàyé fún mi. Explain to me. Right. Ṣàlàyé. Explain. So àlàyé is explanation. So if you say ìfẹ́sowápọ̀, ó yẹ kí o ṣàlàyé fún mi. Ìfẹ́sowápọ̀, you should explain to me. Mo fẹ́ ṣàlàyé. Say I want to explain or I wanted to explain because àlàyé is explanation. To explain on the other hand is to do explanation, that is ṣàlàyé. So ó yẹ kí n ṣàlàyé fún yín, which means I should explain to you.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, báwo ni?
Mo wà pa, ibo ló ń lọ?
Mo lọ sílé ìwé ní jàre, ìwọ ńkọ́ níbo ló ń lọ?
Mo ń lọ sí ibi iṣẹ́.
Jájọ máa lọ náà bẹ́ẹ̀.
Arábìnrin, ibo ni ibi iṣẹ́ yín? Where is your place of work? Kí ni iṣẹ́ òòjọ́ yín?
Òṣìṣẹ́ ètò ìlera ni mí. I'm an health official.
Mo ń lọ sí ibi iṣẹ́ mi ni. I'm going to my place of work. Ibi iṣẹ́, place of work. Níbo ni wọ́n ń lọ jàre? Kí ni iṣẹ́ òòjọ́ ẹ̀? Agbẹjọ́rò. That means I am calling the right woman.
Jàre já lọ. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi, jẹ́ kó ṣàlàyé.
Wọ́n fún kí ẹ jẹ́ ká gbàgbé ọ̀rọ̀ arákùnrin yẹn jàre.
So ó jẹ́ kó ṣàlàyé.
Báwo lè ṣe ń gbowó POS báyìí?
Ẹ ká sọ. Mo fẹ́ rẹja yíyan.
Kí ló sọ?
Mo fẹ́ rẹja yíyan.
Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè.
Mo sọ pé mo fẹ́ rẹja yíyan.
Ẹ gbà. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Sọ̀rọ̀ sókè is speak up. Speak louder, audibly. Right, sọ̀rọ̀, ọ̀rọ̀ is word, sọ ọ̀rọ̀, it means to speak a word. So sókè, up, right? Speak up, sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. So if someone says you are of sọ̀rọ̀ sókè generation, that means you are in that generation that speak audibly, that without fear or without looking timid, right? So you speak it as it comes to you and audibly. Loudly. Ẹja yíyan is smoked fish. So I want to buy smoked fish. Mo fẹ́ ra ẹja yíyan.
Hello? Hello, ìfẹsowápọ̀. Jẹ́ ká tún pàdé. Let's meet again.
Oh, that's great. Thank you so much, Kemi. I really appreciate this.
So, what's the difference between jẹ́ ká pàdé and jẹ́ ká ríra? Right, so jẹ́ ká pàdé, let's meet. Jẹ́ ká ríra, let's see. Right, so the word see is rí in Yoruba. So mo rí ẹ, I see you. Can also be I saw you. Right, and mo rí wọn, I see them or I saw them. Jẹ́ ká ríra, let's see.
The language of love. Ayé fún mi lálébù o. Àbọ̀ èèyàn tí ò pé.